feel any problem, if you face any. So good morning everyone. Today we are going to continue our topic, degrees of comparison of adjectives. We discussed that topic in our previous class, but let us recapitulate before we move further. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, superlative, positive, comparative and superlative degree. Positive degree is used when there is no comparison. Comparative degree is used when we compare 2 things or 2 sets of things or 2 groups. And superlative degree is used when we choose one out of a group, means एक को हम बाकी सारी उस टाइप के चीजों के साथ या ग्रुप के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं. Then we use superlative degree. And these are a few degrees of adjective. We can make adjectives by adding IER or IEST, right? ER or EST. Then there are adjectives which have a different comparative and superlative degree, like bad, worst, good, better, best. And there is one more way where we can add more and most. To make comparative degree, we add more, and to make superlative degree, we add most. Careful, more careful, most careful. Right? Now, we started discussion of a few points. Let us revise those points once. The first point is, whenever there are words superior, inferior, senior, junior or prior, we always use preposition to instead of than. हम to preposition use करते हैं, than नहीं करते. For example, she is senior to me. If you say she is senior than me, then that will be wrong, right? So correct is she is senior to me. She is junior to me, right? Next is double comparative and superlative must be avoided. There are students who are in habit of writing double comparative. Double comparative, when I say, I mean, look at this example, then it will be more clear. He is more cleverer than Ali. Now, if I say double comparative, यहाँ पे आपने more भी use किया हुआ है और cleverer भी use किया हुआ है. Cleverer is already a comparative degree, so we need not add more with it. So this is the double comparative. This is wrong. We don't use double comparative degrees in sentences. So what will be the answer? He is cleverer than Ali. We will omit more, right? Next is when one thing is compared with the every other thing of the same kind. एक चीज को जब हम उसी काइंड की सारी चीजों के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, तब हम any other यूज करते हैं वर्ड आफ्टर पॉजिटिव और कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव और कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के बाद फिर हम एनी अदर का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, गोल्ड इज मोर प्रीशियस than any other metal. It means we are talking about metals, but we say that gold is more precious than all the metals. So we have used than any other metal, right? Next, it is when comparison is made by the means of superlative degree, the thing or class of things should be included in the comparison. मतलब जब हम comparison कर रहे हैं by the means of superlative degree, हम superlative degree use करके comparison कर रहे हैं, तो जिस चीज के साथ या जिस क्लास का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, that should be included. वो इंक्लूड होना चाहिए, उसको हम एक्सक्लूड नहीं कर सकते. He is the wisest of all the other men, right? तो अब हम उसको कंपेयर कर रहे हैं बाकी लोगों के साथ. So it will be wrong to write other men. इसका मतलब हमने उसको एक्सक्लूड कर दिया. We are including that man in it. So it will be he is the wisest of all the men, right? Next is this and that are followed by singular nouns. जब हम this and that की बात करते हैं, तब वो singular noun के साथ यूज होते हैं. ये तो आप you are reading this, learning this concept since your childhood. These, those के साथ plural nouns यूज होते हैं. This, that के साथ singular noun यूज होते हैं. For example, I don't like these kind of people, right? So it is wrong. This kind of people. The correct answer will be this kind of people. Next, it is no comparative degree is used with preferable and it is followed by to. हम preferable के साथ कोई भी डिग्री यूज नहीं करते बिकॉज जो वर्ड preferable है उसका मतलब ही हम preference की बात कर रहे हैं, right? So health is more preferable to wealth. That will be wrong. The correct answer is health is preferable to wealth. हेल्थ जो है वो प्रेफरेबल है वेल्थ से. सो प्रेफरेबल के साथ हम कोई भी कंपैरेटिव या सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज नहीं करते. नाउ द करेक्ट यूज ऑफ सम एडजेक्टिव्स वी विल टॉक अबाउट. हियर वी हैव, जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकंड बेटे. So let us discuss the correct use of some adjectives like further and farther, elder and older, near and next, later, latter, last, and latest and last. So first of all, let us discuss further and farther. What is the difference between further and farther? Further जो है is a comparative of for, F-O-R-E, and farther is comparative of far. Far मतलब दूर, right? It denotes something additional or something more in advance. आपको जब कोई नोटिस आता है तो आपको बोला जाता है ना, फॉलो दिस शेड्यूल टिल फर्दर नोटिस. जब तक आपको कोई नेक्स्ट नोटिस नहीं आता तब तक आपने ये शेड्यूल फॉलो करना है, राइट? अब जो फार्दर की बात हो रही है, इट इज ग्रेटेस्ट डिस्टेंस. हम फार की बात कर रहे हैं, दूर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो इट विल बी अबाउट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 points. Examples are there in front of you. We must get further information. Further मतलब अगली information, additional information. He made no further remarks. उसने आगे कोई remarks नहीं. And if I talk about farther, Delhi is farther from Amritsar than Ludhiana is. दिल्ली अमृतसर से ज्यादा दूर है, लुधियाना जितना लुधियाना है उससे ज्यादा दूर. The old man can walk no farther. अब वो ज्यादा दूर तक नहीं चल सकता. So I hope this difference further and farther is clear to you. Next, it is older and elder. Now, older and oldest both are used for persons and things. Keep this point in mind. Older, old, older, oldest. ये जो है degrees of comparison, these can be used for both persons and things, whereas elder and eldest are used for persons only. Clear? Next is these words denote the age. जब हम older की बात करते हैं तब हम age की बात कर रहे हैं, but जब हम elder की बात करते हैं then we are talking about the position of a family member in that family. राइट? एक फैमिली में हम उस पर्सन की पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? आई हैव एन एल्डर सिस्टर, राइट? जब आप ये कहते हैं आई हैव एन एल्डर सिस्टर, तो एल्डर सिस्टर है मतलब उसकी पोजीशन की बात हो रही है, राइट? देन इट इज ओल्डर इज फॉलोड बाय देन एंड एल्डर इज फॉलोड बाय टू. जहां पे देन आएगा वहां पे हम ओल्डर यूज करते हैं, जहां पे टू यूज होती है प्रीपोजिशन वहां पे elder use होता है. Examples are there in front of you. Our house is older than yours. अब यहाँ पे हम house की बात कर रहे हैं, हम कह रहे हैं कि मेरा घर तुम्हारे घर से पुराना है. So we have used older. Now when I say my brother is elder to me, I am talking about the position of my brother in the family. Pankaj is older than Neeraj. Here we are comparing the age of Pankaj and Neeraj. We are not comparing the position. We are comparing the age. She is the eldest daughter of my elder sister. अब again we are talking about the position. मेरी बड़ी बहन की सबसे बड़ी बेटी. She is the eldest daughter of my elder sister. Next, it is near and next. जो near है that denotes distance or space, but next denotes position or order. वो मेरे घर के पास रहता है, ठीक है, हम डिस्टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं। वो मेरे घर के साथ रहता है, हम पोजीशन की बात कर रहे हैं। मोहन lives in the next house, पोजीशन की बात हो रही है। We took the thief to the nearest police station, डिस्टेंस की बात हो रही है यहाँ, right? Then it is later and latest or later or last. These words denote time. जो later और latest है वो time को denote करते हैं, whereas words like later and last they refer to the position. Ram and Sham are brothers. The latter is my friend. जो बाद वाला है वो मेरा friend है. I reached the school later than Nitish. यहाँ पे time की बात हो रही है कि मैं नितिश से बाद में स्कूल पहुंचा, right? I hope this is clear to you. A very wonderful quote at the end I have. Adjectives are the sugar of literature and adverbs are the salt. So any food cannot be tasty if the amount of sugar is too much or if the amount of salt is too much. So we have to balance, right? I hope this concept is clear to you.